Guys, so we're back in the barbershop room. We're gonna put this TV up on this wall right here. There's a plug up there already. So we got some lights, those LED lights to go on the wall. So we're gonna put those on the wall, and then we're gonna put this TV up on the wall, and then that should be it for this room. As you can tell, we already got these toolboxes, put the wheels on. We already got the mirrors up and everything. So looks like he's good to go. We're gonna just get the TV up on the ring lights, and we should be good to go. All right, give me a second, guys. Let me set you up over here. I'm just gonna do a one full take, and then I'll probably just hyperlapse through it. So let me do it like that. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna measure up that and put it on this side. That's the center right there. We're just gonna do the center of this. I'm gonna eyeball it and put it up here. Let's see. Get my ruler. Hold on 1 second, guys. Let me go get my measuring tape. I can't find my tape measure, so I'm just gonna use this ruler. It's got measurement on there. So let's see. This measure is 42. So half of 42 is 21. 21 is right there. So that's the center of the dress. That's the center. There we go. So we're gonna put it. And she's from the top. Let's go. guys, so I marked out where I'm going to put it. So let's get the level. I'm going to drill it. Alright guys, so we got that up. So we're gonna put the TV up now. We're gonna hang the TV. This TV is a little bit heavy, so I'm gonna turn this like this. Alright guys, so the TV is up. Took me a while. Took me a little bit to get it up here. So, the reason why it took me a while because that hook is not the normal hook that normally goes up there. It's just a strip. It's not the regular type of 2-frame TV mount. It's just one strip. So when you hook it on like this, it's going back and touching the wall. So it's not snapping in, it's not clipping in. But I got it up here. So. And that TV is heavier than the newer TV, guys. I don't know why I make them so heavy. Alright guys, so I'm done with the TV right there. I just need one of those wiring things for that. But there's the TV, and then I'm gonna put the both LED light brackets over there. So give me a second guys, I'm gonna set you up right there. Then let me sorry, I'm missing one. I need some more anchors. So I got 4 right here. I'm gonna need a lot more. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, so see, I got more anchors right here. Oops. So we're gonna put these up right now. Let me see where the center is on this. That's 47, 48, 48, 48, and 10. That's 58. So 58. So half of 58, that's 25, 25 and 4. That's 29. 29 is half. Half right there. 29. So I found the center. Once I find the center, I could know where to put the bracket. So this is the bracket that we're gonna put here. So it's like a telescoping bracket. You can pull it out. Ring light goes on the end of this right here, ring light, and then this attaches to the wall, so you can move it in and out, side to side, wherever you want it, you know. And then we're gonna mark the holes, put the double pins in there, and then so our trusted drill. Let me put you a little bit closer, guys, so you can see what's going on more close. All right, there we go. Alright, so here you have it. We got the bracket up there, nice and simple. You could swivel it from side to side, extend it in and out. You could extend it in and out like that. Okay. You could extend this out like that. It's telescoping, guys. They could move it to wherever they want it. See? So that's how that works. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the other one. I don't think I have to film and show you all of that. I'm gonna cut it. Or maybe I could hyperlapse through it. So let me keep it like that. Alright guys, so I'm on the third one now, and then after this one, and that's it. I'll be done for the day. Alright guys, so we got that one up. That one is not going to be centered. We just have that one to the side because the TV is right here. So we put it to the side. They could still swivel it over with the light over the chair right here. So they should be good on that one. So yeah, I'm done now. I'm just going to pack this up and then head on out. Alright guys, so let's take a look. See, we got our brackets up there, brackets right there, chair is gonna go right here, chair is gonna go right here, another chair is gonna go right here, and then we have the other bracket right here. I'm gonna get the Windex and clean that TV for them. It's kind of high, so because the ladder is already in here, I'm just gonna clean it. Give me 1 second.